So now we know the method for long division, but when I'm dividing, I don't always use the method. What I do instead is estimate and then adjust. So for this first question, we've got 8,827 divided by 97. Now I know that 100 times 97 is 9,700 because you can multiply by 100 if it's a whole number by just putting 2 zeros on the end. And notice that 8,827 is fairly close to 9,700, so I know that my answer is going to be something fairly close to 100. But because the number we're dividing by is less than 100 times, I know that it's going to be less than 100. Now I also know that 10 times 97 is 970, because multiplying by 10, if it's a whole number, you just put a 0 on the end. And what we can do next is subtract, and that will give us the answer to what 90 times 97 is, because if you have 100 times a number and you take away 10 times that number, you get 90 times that number, because 100 take away 10 is 90. So if we subtract, 0 minus 0 is 0. We can't do 0 minus 7, go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 96 minus 9 is 87. But that gives us 8,730, which is slightly less than 8,827, but it's not much less. So I think just adding another 97, so another 1 times 97, will get us to the dividend. We can use column addition for this. And when we do that, we get exactly what our number is. We get to our dividend. So we got to 90 times 97, added another 97, so one more lot of 97, and that gives us the answer to 91 times 97. So 8,827 divided by 97 is 91. So that's our answer. Now we have 1,911 divided by 49. We can follow the same long division steps as we normally do, so keep on adding the number until we've got to 5 times. Then, looking at our question, 191, and we need to take the first 3 digits together, because if we look at the first 2 digits, we've only got 19, and that's less than 49. So if we do 191 divided by 49, the closest number to 191, which is still less than 191, is 147. So we can write that underneath, and because it's 3 times, we write 3 in our answer line. Now we do the subtraction, and we bring down the last digit. Now we've got 441 divided by 49. Now 441 is a lot more than 245. So if we keep on adding 49s, it's going to take us a very long time to get to 441. So what we can do instead is estimate. Remember, 10 times is going to be 490. So I would guess that 441 is about 9 times. So if we add our answer to 4 times, that's going to give us 9 times. And when we do the addition, we get to exactly 441. So that estimate was accurate. 9 times 49 is 441, which means that 9 is the final digit of our answer.